Hey, what's up, Metahero coin holder? What's going on this time? The Metahero condition is, I think, very critical, but don't worry, my friend. I'm 100% sure to the volume, as you can see, 67.33%. So that's very good news, my friends. Therefore, I will tell you to don't worry. If they were fails down, the price is decreasing for temporary. You can see, my friend, 24 hours 0.64% the price is decreased. So don't worry, my friend. This is temporary fails. Absolutely, after a short term, they will take a very huge pump. So therefore, I hope, my friends, to the market cap, you can see here, I think the market cap, you can see, my friend, as 0.06. So that's mean to they are never lost and never moving upward. The 6 billion, my friend, the fully diluted market cap is 1 billion. Volume, you can see here, 49 billion. And my friend, as you can see here, the volume market cap is 0.07992. So that's mean, my friends, to everything is going positive. And if we check out, my friends, I think we will need to check out the chart results, so that's very important. All right, so Metahero holders, first of all, congratulations to Metahero, is completely on the profit. And as you can see here, just in only, my friend, I draw the resistance line. You can see here, my friend, I'm going to show you. So this is the resistance line. You can see the black white line. So this is the black dot line. You can see, my friend, this is the resistance line. And absolutely the red line, you can see this is the lost. So the loss is very less than from a profit. The profit is completely priority from loss. So that's mean, my friends, so this coin is completely on the profit. If they were fails down for temporary for short time, this does not mean to you are starting selling. Kindly holders, you will need to hold down. I am 100% sure, my friends, too. This coin will give you a very huge profits in upcoming days. For that, you will need to hold. First of all, you will need to hold. If you are starting holding, then remember to you will get a very good profit. Absolutely, after a short pump, every coin will take a very huge, my friends, dump. But after a dump, also they will take a very huge jump. So therefore, you will need, my friends, to be active for every type of condition, my friends. Sometimes they will fails down, so you will never need, my friends, to starting selling. Please research personally, and after that take a decision, because this is very important for you. So every channel will inform you, guide you, my friends, and every day, every time. But just only you will need to subscribe this channel. So see you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.